For me, my introduction to mental health was like a punch.
You know, it might sound such a simple thing, but the lack of sleep and the tiredness really did affect me.
When I was diagnosed with depression, I couldn't sleep. I literally went, I'd say, a full week, literally not slept a wink, just wide awake. Everything just going over and over and over in my head constantly. I've never struggled with anything in my life, and I didn't really understand what mental illness was or what everyone was talking about.
I don't want this to be like a taboo subject. I want to be open. I'm actually, the guys I worked with, I was way more open with them than I was to anybody else. From my fiance, my friends don't even really, I'm doing this and most of my best friends don't even know anything about it.
People who find themselves in a place where they think they're the only person in that place, by talking about their experience and sharing it with others, they'll probably feel better about it themselves.